What if I told you the biggest threat to your engine isn't what you think? It's not the road, not the weather, it's something hiding inside. You don't see it, you don't hear it, but your engine is fighting a silent battle. Old oil loses its power, and slowly it starts destroying your engine. But here's the good news, this story can change in under 30 minutes. At SR Smash Solutions, we don't just change oil, we restore performance. A fresh filter removes debris. Clean oil flows like new energy. Feel the difference. Drive with confidence. SR Smash Solutions, where precision meets care. Book your oil and filter change today.